Hey there! It's Obokmanse Dental Clinic. If you've got temporomandibular joint pain, you know what I'm talking about, right? For temporomandibular joint issues, it's all about Obokmanse Dental Clinic in Guro Digital Complex, Seoul, South Korea.
Today, let's talk about a success story of a patient whose right jaw makes a clicking sound when they close their mouth. My right jaw makes a clicking sound. It doesn't hurt, but it started making a clicking sound when I close my mouth.
For most patients with temporomandibular joint issues, proper muscle relaxation and jaw correction can lead to a speedy recovery.
In treating patients with jaw clicking sounds, not all cases can be completely fixed. The treatment for jaw clicking involves observing how the jaw responds after each session. This patient had 2 outpatient treatments. Thankfully, the patient said, "It's fine. I don't really have any discomfort. The sound is gone now, and it feels much better. There's just a slight feeling that it might click." So, we concluded the TMJ treatment.
You know about temporomandibular joint pain, right? Temporomandibular joint pain is right here at Obokmanse Dental Clinic in Guro Digital Complex, Seoul, South Korea.